Hi, I'm Telemachou, owner and founder of Telemachou Brand Reflections. I first met Catherine Galea socially and we hit it off immediately. She has a very easygoing personality, she's very sweet, she's very friendly. I trusted her instantly, and the more we talked, the more it became clear that she's a very non-judgmental, open and friendly person. She told me that she taught mindfulness and I decided to give it a go, not without some reservations, but I needed help. I needed help because I was under a lot of pressure trying to meet my business goals alongside a busy, thriving family life. I felt like I was spreading myself too thin and didn't know what to drop and what to keep. Catherine helped me become more self-aware and identify the real stressors, and most importantly, she gave me the skills, the tools to help me cope with this. I now have strategies to employ when I feel overwhelmed and when I feel burned out. Thanks to Catherine's mindfulness course, I am now more confident that I can stay on top of everything and meet both my goals in my personal life and in my family life, as well as my professional goals. Thank you, Catherine.